Hi guys, welcome back to the Craft Time Studio. If you're new here, I hope that you consider liking and subscribing to the Craft Time Studio for all things crafty. As the title says, we are back with another color recipe. It's not even Halloween yet, but I already have Christmas on my mind, and so I wanted to experiment with glitters. By the way, I'm Ange, your weekend crafter, and I love mixing and making my own custom colors. Predominantly, we will be using Sculpey Premo Accents in Frost White Glitter. For the first color, which I'm calling Glitter Gray, I want to make a base that is a bit neutral, so I mixed the Frost White Glitter with just a sliver of black. Be very light-handed when you add black and try to do it bit by bit because it is a very strong color, and applying it heavily will make it harder for you to lighten the color afterwards. You will notice that when you use this particular Frost White glitter clay, the resulting color might look a little bit grainy at first, and I think it's just really because of the size of the glitters. If you don't like how it looks, even with a bit of conditioning, you can add a bit more translucent clay just to soften the color. I didn't show it here, but I added it on after I mixed all my colors. For the second color, I wanted to make this beige-y gold color. I'm mixing about 3/4 Frost White glitter with about 1/4 of yellow gold glitter. If you've ever used Premo Accents in yellow gold glitter before, you will see that it has a bit of translucent quality to it. So when you mix it in small amounts with white, it's going to produce a very subdued color. To bring out a slightly brighter color, I added about 1/4 of Fimo gold and made sure I conditioned it thoroughly. This color I will call Toasty Shine. For the third color, you will add about a fourth of Premo Accents in copper with frost white glitter. As always, try to condition these two colors first before you add a third color. You will get a very light pink, but since this is a Christmas palette, I wanted to add a bit of brightness, so I came back with an eighth of Sunset Pearl to get this shiny coral pink. I'm naming this color Candescent Coral. The last color is quite simple. Mix about 3/4 frost white glitter with 1/4 of Premo in olive green. The name I came up with this is a bit of a tongue twister. It's Sheeny Sage. I'm telling you guys, the hardest thing with these color mixing videos is coming up with the names for my custom colors. That's why I usually go with alliteration. As I've mentioned in the beginning, I did decide to put a bit of translucent clay towards the end, just so that my clay wouldn't come out as grainy. Also, don't forget to do a test bake to see the final colors. Some clay changes color slightly after they're baked. And here you go, guys. We have glitter gray, toasty shine, candescent coral, and sheeny sage. That is it for today's Christmas color recipe. Have a crafty weekend. Bye!